لا تجزعي.
The whole humans and the animals will die from the trumpet. Everything that hears the trumpet will die. The jinns will die. Iblees will be the last to die. But he will die by the destruction of the earth, of the world. He will not stay until the day of resurrection. Because Iblees tried to but he tried to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to allow him to stay till the day we are resurrected. Oh my Lord, let me stay till the day they are resurrected, day of judgment. Allah said, you will be left alive until the known day. In one narration it says that the angel of death comes to take Iblees' soul out, and Iblees runs to all the corners of the earth and he finds the angel of death and he dies. He's taken away. Iblees doesn't want to die, you see. He doesn't want to die. He thinks he's still got hope. This is what he whispers into the minds of the human beings. Don't worry, you're going to live more. You've got long days to go. Don't worry. Still young now. Person's 70 years old, says he's still going to live. Don't worry. He's 80, he's still going to live. He's on his deathbed at the hospital. Don't worry. They say you're going to die, but there's still some hope. You're probably still going to live. Enjoy life. Have a little bit more of enjoyment. Don't worry about worship right now. Yes, the shaitan does that because that's his characteristic. And when the angel of death comes to take his soul, he runs away. He thinks he's not going to die. He thinks he can escape.